that hang on our street. The flowers are red as the wine that you drink. How this life turned out more than I thought it'd be. When I only have you and I have everything. Under the blood moon we're frozen in time. They'll see us in pictures, they'll read us in lines. Somehow this life
In front of everyone, I want to tell you that you are a good man. You have been a very good partner. Your humor is one I will never tire of.
You're in my heart, you're in my bones, you're part of me, it's chemical. Don't ask me why, 'cause I don't know.
Gracias, good luck kay Minnesota.
It's chemical, it's chemical, it's chemical, it's chemical.
Uy, magpa-birthday na!
John Randolph, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang maksang dibdib si Chonami na iyong pakamamaling paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Kanino ako titingin?
Opo, Pat.
Thank you pa. Madam.
Sabog tayo bukas.
You're in my heart, you're in my bones, you're part of me.
Crush ko lang siya nung grade 6.
Crush ko na kasi siya agad eh.
Tapos di ko alam crush nun pala niya ako.
Kasama yung crush na years, 25 years.
It's chemical, 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 it's chemical. You're in my heart, you're in my bones, you're part of me.
Chonami, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang maksang dibdib si John Randolph na iyong pakamamaling paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Pag pinili mo talaga, it's a choice kasi talaga eh. If you've decided that this is the person that you want to spend the rest of your life with, it's not yung feeling mo lang na ngayon nagbabago or tomorrow iba na. So, it's really a choice and yun, you work for it. Pinaka-pogi. Yeah!
I've been
At syempre, kailangan din may basbas ni God. We're getting married not because we decided it. We're getting married dahil yun ang plan ni Lord. Well, Che, ani na. Dito na. Congrats. God bless with your family. And I know JR, talaga nagpupursige for your family. Thank you for taking care of our parents.
now and always never.
Sophie, to my dear daughter, who's now my bridesmaid. Sasayaw daw tayo.
I know we'll always never be the same. This I know.
Something to keep your valuable and something that is with you wherever you may go. Hindi man nga surat. Okay na. Maililit yung sulat.
I've been searching.
John Randolph at Chonami, nakada ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na masa yung aarugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob ng buong may kapal upang sila ay inyong palakihin bilang mabubuting mamamayan ng Kristiyano.
Opo, Padre.
Opo, Padre. Even though this task is still part of our story today, I promise you it won't be forever. I vow to love you with patience, faith, and joy until the day we finally share the same home, the same morning, and the same life.
Nay, Tay, thank you so much. You've always been the wind beneath my wings.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, anak.
Thank you.
Congrats!
Thank you, Nay.
Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila ay magiging isa. Kaya, hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag pag-iwalayin ng tao.
If we're always never, forever, always never be the same. This we know, we may always never know.
John Randolph at Jonah May, sa pagkatong ito, naghihintay ang inyong mga panuhin at ang inyong pamilya na saksihan ang inyong pinakamatamis na halik sa isa't isa.